Hello lovers, this video is about how to grow hair longer and stronger, thicker hair in just 1 month. The first ingredient is this rice. Rice helps for hair growth. Rice helps for many things, like for growing of skin. Rice water is very perfect for hair growth. So you have to wash the rice once and pour it inside a place where you are gonna store it and add little water to it. Don't make the water to be more, just little water, and cover it very well. After you have covered it, then you put it aside. Let it stay for 24 hours, like a day. Then the next day you bring your onion, see the onion, you have to peel the back of the onion. Onion is perfect for hair growth. It works perfect to grow hair. So after you have peeled the back of the onion, then you have to cut it into pieces. Cut the onion into pieces like the way I'm doing. Onion is good. It has so many benefits. You can also use it for bright eyes and so many things. So you have to cut the onion into pieces. After you have cut the onions into pieces, like the way you can use 2 or 3 or 3 onions, or even 4 onions, depending on how you want to use it. After you have cut it into pieces, then you pour water into it, maybe half cup of water, depending on the amount of onion you are using. Then on the frame and put it on the frame. See, it's already on the frame. You have to leave this thing for like 5 to 6 minutes on the frame. Even if it's boiling, just leave it there, because it's going to extract all the nutrients you are gonna use. So you have to leave it there. Let it continue to boil. Just be checking your time. 5 to 6 minutes is okay for it to extract all the nutrients. You have to leave it there, and it will be extracting it. It will be boiling, maybe to 100 degrees Celsius and more. So after you have boiled this onion, then you bring out your rice. The rice you have already stored, it has stayed for 24 hours. Then you have to extract the rice water. This rice water contains many nutrients which helps for hair growth. It also can also use it on your skin to get rid of freckles, blemishes, acne, black hairs, all sort of it. So this is the rice water you're going to use. This is the perfect rice water. So after you have extracted the rice water, then you have to extract the onion juice as well. Pour everything together in a bowl. Extract the onion juice. Onion juice is so good in hair growth. It works perfect in growing hair. So after you have extracted these ingredients, then you have to stir it. Stir these 2 ingredients together. See what you are going to use. This ingredient is going to help to grow your hair. Maybe in just a month your hair will grow, especially African hair, for those who want to grow their hair, or any other person that wants to grow hair. This thing will grow your hair. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends.